from now. Okay, for us to just also check if you're live on the Facebook handles. Yes, we are also live on the social media channels now. So welcome everybody. Hello and good morning to you all. My name is Vishal and I welcome you all to this session today where we are going to be talking about the ceasefire's mist-based area sanitization systems. We are so pleased to be streaming live and introducing to the audience in UK and also to the world over this very new entrant into our range, which is the ceasefire mist-based area sanitization systems. I am joined today by our technology expert, Pankaj Mehrotra, who is going to be throwing light on every aspect of this amazing range. He is also the person who's played an instrumental role, in every aspect of the development of this product. So right from the conceptualization stage to the development of the prototype, to the productionization of the product and also launching it into the marketplace. He's been the man behind the show as far as the mist-based area sanitization systems are concerned. So without taking much of your time, viewers, I'd like to call upon Pankaj Mehrotra to take it up from here, and begin the session, please.
Thank you, Vishal, and good morning to all of you. Welcome to this webinar on mist-based sanitization equipment. It is indeed a pleasure to be addressing all of you. Thanks again for coming on to this webinar. Pankaj Mehrotra from Ceasefire, New Delhi. Before we start about the product and I tell you the technology behind this product, let me give you a brief about what is Ceasefire and what we are all about. Ceasefire today is a fast emerging global name, and we have made forays into the markets like European market, which is UK. We are already there. We are in Middle East. We are in Africa. We are in Singapore, China, Bangladesh. So you name it, we have made forays into each continent of this planet. Now, coming back to what is Ceasefire. Ceasefire today is a most well-known brand across the continents and very well the most well-known brand in the Indian segment. You name the product and we have it. As far as the technology is concerned, Ceasefire is well known since last 2 decades for its quality fire extinguishers, portable as well as mounted mobile fire extinguishers. We are also having different kind of systems. We have detection systems, we have suppression system, flooding systems, we have in-panel tube-based systems, and you name the product and we have it. The reason why we have such a vast range, or why we are able to manage such a vast range of product, is because we are not a company which just buys and sells, or buys a product and stamps it with its brand. We are a company which is having a full back-to-back integration. We conceptualize a product. We first go to the drawing board. We put a product on the drawing board. We conceptualize a product. We do the research. We do the R&D. We do the designing of the product. See, the complete integration is product. Of the product is done by us. So that ensures that the quality of the product, the overall product and each component is taken care of, because we understand what is the concept behind this firefighting system, what is the concept behind the suppression system. So keeping the end result in mind, what we want to give to the customer, the experience of fighting a fire or suppressing a fire in an emergency. So keeping that concept or end result in mind, we start on the drawing board. Therefore, the total journey of drawing board to the end result is handled 100% practically by our design team and engineers. Therefore, what you get is a very beautiful, 100% reliable and totally achievable result in form of Ceasefire firefighting equipments and systems, a brand which cannot be challenged by any other brand on earth as of today. Coming back to again how we develop a product from concept, from drawing board to the end result. very new innovation which we have done in a very short period of time is we have developed a mist-based sanitization equipment. This was the call, or this was the demand of humanity. It was with the demand of our what do you call mankind, that we need a product in a as short as possible time, and a product which could be reliable against the coronavirus. I'm sure all of you know how coronavirus behaves. It transmits from surface to human beings. It transmits from human beings to human beings. It also travels as aerosols for 15-20 minutes in the air in case somebody coughs or sneezes. So it was a challenge to us to find a technology which could not only suppress the contamination or could suppress the passing on of the virus or infection only on surface, but also in the air. So first, before we developed our product, we went into the market and saw what the technology offers as of today. What we saw was there were a number of systems which were mostly using alcohol-based agents. So you had alcohol-based agents which were heated, and that alcohol evaporated and formed a mist. But that was only applicable in air, not on surface. So that was only 50% of the solution. You have an alcohol-based sanitization agent which is evaporated because you apply heat to it and it becomes a mist and it floats in the air. The second problem with this system is alcohol-based sanitization system is that it has a very limited range, in the sense that you can probably throw it for maybe 50 centimeters to 60 centimeters. Whereas in case you want to sanitize, let us say, for example, a theater, an auditorium, or maybe a banquet hall, or maybe function palace, or maybe a 5-star hotel, you would spend maybe weeks together to sanitize a complete hotel. So there was a problem in this alcohol-based, mist-based sanitization equipment. Then we saw what are the other solutions in the market, and we saw that there are agents which are soluble in water, sodium hypochlorite or hypochlorous acid, but then they were being used as a wipe, that you have a solution, you put a sponge or a cloth and you wipe the surface, but then you are not taking care of the virus in the air. So again, this is a 50% solution. Then we saw the same water-based is being used in small guns, and you are using it as a jet. And you are using it as a jet to spray on the surface, to spray it on your furniture, to spray it on your carpet, to spray on your floors and walls. But again, the virus which is spread in the air, the aerosols which are there in the air, having those tiny microorganisms called COVID, that coronavirus spread in the air, floating freely in the air, is not taken care of by systems which are just producing a jet of solution. So we wanted to merge these two technologies, where we have something of a mist to take care of the virus spread in the air, and also to have a jet which could decontaminate or remove the infection spread on the surfaces, on furniture, on walls, on almirahs, on cupboards, on curtains and everything. So we hit upon this idea that why don't we use water-based solution but convert it into mist. So we tried this technology. We went back to the drawing board. Our engineers toiled a lot because we gave them very short period of time that we have to, what come what may, we have to develop this product in 7 days. Because this was a time when Corona was just about to peak somewhere in May. And in April, May, we developed this product and we came out with a solution where we had this mist-based sanitization equipment. It is a beautiful technology. It kills the virus not only on the surface, but also in the air, because the mist spreads in the air. It floats in the air before falling on the surface. So there is a range which you are getting. You can throw it for 2 to 3 meters. You have a wide angle, so you can cover a big volume or a area in one jet or in one throw, and you are getting a mist-based technology, and you are also taking care of the surface. So it is the best solution all combined together, a mist-based sanitization equipment which uses sodium hypochlorite or hypochlorous acid, and there are various agents available in the market. You can use any agent, but what we are recommending are these two agents. This total technology was developed by Ceasefire in a short span of 2 weeks with the help of Indian government's Defense Research Wing. The Defense Research Wing and Ceasefire jointly developed this product, and we are very proud. It has come out to be a very good and very well accepted product in the market. I would now hand over to Vishal again to take you through how this product works, give you a practical demo, and I would be available here for any questions you feel to ask. Thank you. Over to you, Vishal, and thanks for joining. Yeah.
So thank you, Pankaj. Thank you so much indeed for this overview on the range. What we will do now, viewers, is we will now take you live to the Ceasefire Advanced Intelligence Center and showcase the product, in front of you live in action. So, so that is what we will just do, and switch the feed to a video now. Just a second, please. Hello viewers, and welcome to the Ceasefire Advanced Intelligence Center. I am so pleased to introduce in front of you today the latest entry into our range, which is the mist-based area sanitization systems. So viewers, with the onslaught of the coronavirus, what has happened is that a key deciding factor which will decide how successful we become in the fight against the coronavirus will be how far we are able to contain and curb the spread of the disease from surfaces to humans. And that is where the Ceasefire mist-based area sanitization systems come into play. These systems, viewers, are also a classic example of how beautifully we've adapted and evolved a technology from the firefighting world into the business of sanitization systems, especially for the large premises. The key advantage with these systems, viewers, is the fact that these systems are based on the mist technology. Now with the mist technology, what we've done is we've broken down a single droplet of the solution into minuscule droplets, and as a result of which, what is happening is that as compared to conventional systems, these systems can cover up to 4 times more coverage area comparatively. And because they cover extensive area, with every liter of the decontamination agent, these systems are super efficient. With every liter of the agent, you can cover much more area as compared to the conventional systems. And thirdly, because these are mist-based systems, what we are dispersing out is mist. What happens is that mist rapidly evaporates in surfaces that you've sterilized, and because they rapidly evaporate, they bring down substantially your effort that is involved with post sanitization cleanup. Broadly, viewers, this range can be categorized into 2 categories. One side of the range is powered by air cartridges. So these are systems which are driven by stored pressure air with the air cartridge modules that come attached. So here you have a 9-liter variant, which comes as a backpack version. The 9-liter also is mounted on a trolley to bring its maneuverability aspect to a whole new level. And then you have a 45-liter system, again mounted on the trolley. So what happens is that in the 9-liter system, you have an air cartridge which is pressurized at around 200 bar pressure, and we release the pressure here to generate a working pressure in the main chamber of about 8 bar, and that is where you have you also have a pressure gauge to understand what kind of pressure you are able to build in the main tank. The same is now also available on a trolley mounted version. And then the 45-liter variant, here you have a 6-liter variant of the air cartridge, which is pressurized around 300 bar. So here again, you release the pressure from the air cartridge and create a working pressure of about 13 bar in the main container. So all of these containers are hydrostatic pressure tested, because we are talking about pressurized air here. And to give you a little sense of the operation time, the operating period of these systems, a 9-liter variant is good for a continuous discharge of about 10 minutes. And every air cartridge that comes attached can give you up to 12 sterilization applications, meaning 12 times you can use the system and completely discharge the solution that is there inside. Whereas the 45-liter system is good for a continuous discharge of about 50 minutes of time. So on the other side, you have systems which are driven by water pump. So you see there is a water pump incorporated as a part of the system, which comes with a metal casing to protect the pump. And these again come in 3 sizes. So you have a 9-liter system, you have a 50-liter size variant, and a 100-liter size variant. So a 9-liter will be good for a continuous discharge of about 9 minutes. So we're talking approximately a liter per minute kind of a flow rate. A 50-liter system will be good for a continuous discharge of about 60 minutes, 1 hour, and 120 minutes. This 100-liter system will work continuously, approximately 2 hours here. So here, as you can see, there is also a long cord that we provide with the system. This is approximately 10 meters in length. And these systems are really plug and play solution. So as long as you're getting power and there is solution inside, you can go ahead and carry on your sterilization activities. And these are typically systems which are meant for large premises. Another key feature of these systems is the fact that the outer casing is steel, but we're using plastic containers inside. So if you see, this is plastic to avoid any sort of corrosion. Now, as far as the decontamination agent that we've used in these systems is concerned, we are using sodium hypochlorite. So we provide sodium hypochlorite to you in its absolute form, but it has to be actually used mixed with water. So the simple rule is every 1 part of the final solution needs to have 20% of sodium hypochlorite, and the rest is water. 80% is water. So if you're talking about a 9-liter variant, here about 1.8 liter needs to be of sodium hypochlorite solution, and about 7.2 liters needs to be water. Similarly, a 45-liter system needs to have 9 liter of sodium hypochlorite and 36 liters of water. Similarly, the same rule applies for the pump-based systems as well. We talk about 50-liter size variant, 10 liter needs to be the chemical, and 40 liter should be water. Similarly, in the 100 liter, you have 20 liters of sodium hypochlorite solution. Rest is water. So we will demonstrate in front of you first live in action the 9-liter backpack system, which is driven by the air cartridge module. So if you can bear this, please. So you have a harness to secure it around your back. So first what we'll have to do is we will have to, I'll give you your gun. So we will have to first release the pressure from the air cartridge and create a working pressure inside. Just 1 second. I'm now closing the valve of the cartridge. Yes, we're good to go. So we can remove the safety seal. And activate the system. So you see, there is a fine discharge of the solution in its mist form, and down below, if you see, there is no flooding. It's rapidly evaporating also in the surfaces that you are sterilizing. So this system, with every sterilization application, is good for a continuous discharge of about 9 minutes. So approximately a liter per minute kind of a flow rate is what we're talking about. So we can turn around and the camera can take a close view of the discharge. And down below you see there is absolutely no flooding. For the area that we've sanitized already, is rapidly evaporating. So then you can zoom again on the on the discharge and see how fine the flow of the agent is. And we can move forward. So any services that we're talking about, we can discharge some on this gate anything so we can view more clearly. Yeah, against a darker background, it'll be easier. So that's how you can go about using the system. The minimum amount of training, there is no special training needed to use a system like this. It's absolutely very simple to use for all sorts of people who are made responsible for sterilization initiatives at your place. So I think we'll stop here. So after having demonstrated the air cartridge systems, we will now demonstrate in front of you the water pump based system. So as a first step, what you have to do is you have to switch it on. So you switch it on from here. The water pump comes into action and the system is now ready to be used. So if you can just get started, you have to first remove the safety seal of the gun and then simply get started. So as you move, you can dispense the agent. And if you can do a close-up of the discharge, you can see again it's a very fine mist, not wetting the floor at all, no flooding is happening, and it's very clear. Rapidly the thing evaporates, and substantially reduces your effort in terms of post sanitization cleanup. So this is a plug and play solution. So as long as you have power, as long as there is solution inside, you can continue the sterilization activities, and that is why it is specially meant for large premises. You have your schools, your hospitals, malls, stadiums, where you don't really want to be confined to air cartridges, and this is the perfect solution for that. You have a long cord, if you see, you have a really long cord, about 15 meters. So it's giving you all the freedom to move around, every nook and corner of the premises and go about. So there is absolutely no special training that is needed for one to use the system. It's absolutely easy, for anyone who's made responsible for using, these systems. They can simply just get started, and go about carrying out the sterilization initiatives. So viewers, I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of our sanitization systems. Thank you so much once again for joining in. So that was a short demonstration of the technology in action. What we will do, viewers, now is we will open up the session, for any questions that you may have. We have Pankaj with us to answer all of them.